Hi ladies, thank you so much for watching me. Today I'm gonna show you how to treat acne scars with this magic mask. All we need here is 1 teaspoon rice flour, 2 teaspoons yogurt, and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. This face mask fades acne marks and other skin imperfections and encourages the skin to heal and renew itself. You can also use it just to refresh your face and add some glow. Yogurt contains lactic acid, calcium, antioxidants, and lots of moisture. It dissolves dead skin cells, removes the dull complexion, hydrates the skin, and improves the skin tone. Turmeric improves the skin's elasticity, soothes inflammations, and stimulates the skin regeneration process. To make this mask, all you have to do is mix all the ingredients well together. You should get a smooth paste. If your mask is too thick, you can add some more yogurt. If it's too thin, add more rice flour. Apply the mask to a clean face and gently massage the mask into your skin in small circular motions. This helps the ingredients to penetrate your pores. It also stimulates blood flow on the surface of your skin. Leave it on for around 20 minutes and wash the mask off with cool water. Try it once a week for best result. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friend, and thank you so much for watching.